Hi, I'm Steve Judge, and I'm reading excerpts from my autobiography, Don't Lean on Your Excuses, a world champion's courageous story that inspires living with no regrets. So, my book is available to pre-order and buy. If you click on the link attached to this video, that will take you through to the Amazon website where you can get yourself a copy. Now, later on in the video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can win free tickets to the book launch party. That's going to be in October, and I'm really looking forward to meeting as many people there. But first of all, let me just read an excerpt from chapter 6, and I've called this Ingenious Engineering. I take after my dad in many ways and followed in his footsteps as a mechanical engineer. When I left the Hayfield Comprehensive School, I was happy to get an apprenticeship as a maintenance fitter engineer, working in the local coal pits of Yorkshire. I would build up the huge mining machines from scratch in the workshop and send them down the pits to carry out the work. If the machine broke down, then we would get the call, and my job was to go down the pit and get it up and running again. Arriving at the coalface, I'd be confronted with a situation that was nowhere near the explanation that we would have received in the workshop. What those guys did to those machines down there was beyond me. Anyway, I knew that what the end result had to be, and I just had to work out how I was going to achieve it. The pressure was on, and at times I had to be ingenious to get the result. Sometimes I robbed parts from other broken down or abandoned machines, whatever it took to get the machine up and running, because there could be no excuses. Staring at this bike, I just felt like there must be a way. Just because someone told me that I couldn't do it, was that true? I thought about it in a different way. I thought about how I could do it. The end result was to get on the bike and pedal. So I asked myself, what do I need to do to achieve it? I need to bring my leg out by 2 inches. That would make it clear, my cage clear of the frame, I thought. So I need a big pedal with straps on it, I said. Suddenly I felt a rush of excitement through my body. That's it. I need to make myself a big pedal. I purposely kept my idea to myself so as not to be dismissed by anybody, and immediately went about measuring and sketching out my requirements. I took myself out to the garage using my wheelchair and crutches. It was like an Aladdin's cave of equipment and possibilities, and I searched for the necessary tools and materials I would need. Meticulously working on my project brought me so much joy and excitement. I was not only independently using my skills, but I was actively working towards my goal. The euphoria helped me push myself, and by the end of the day I had produced a big wooden pedal. It had supported brackets and a velcro strap for my foot and an adjustable nylon strap for fixing it to the bike. I'd even proudly rounded the corners off and smoothed them down. I fixed it onto the pedal and enthusiastically climbed onto the bike, securing my foot in the straps. I started to move the crank round, slowly lifting my knees and pushing them down. I was building up the momentum into rhythm. Sitting tall on the bike, I gasped for air, feeling the adrenaline build up inside me. I went faster, feeling a strong urge of power inside me, whispering, "Go, go," for it. As the endorphins were released, I stared down at my legs. Wow, look at me. Look at what I'm doing, I thought as I accelerated smoothly. I caught myself in the moment and acknowledged my achievement as I smiled for the first time in a long time. I did it, I said through gritted teeth. When others said that I couldn't, I did it. I told myself that in the future, when somebody tells me that I can't do something, or even if I tell myself that I can't do something, I must ask myself, is that fact or excuse? If it's a fact, then fair enough. However, if it's an excuse, then I've got to turn it round. I've got to make sure that I don't lean on my excuses and instead turn my excuses into challenges. The lyrics of one of my favourite training songs from Rocky V, Go For It, by Heart and Fire, rang true. In life, things can hold you down, and that's when it's time to fight back even harder. Grabbing my crutches, I climbed off the bike and I stepped away. I turned and looked at the new lease of life that I had created. I realised that my future days of physio had just entered a whole new era and would be a lot more fun tomorrow. I smiled to myself. I need to get some music rigged up. Things are about to get sweaty. So this is very much about using my skills from my engineering days to help me work towards my goal. And I think we've all got that inside us. Think about what your skills are. What are you good at? Can you use those things to help you to achieve your goals, to push yourself forward every single day so that you get what you want, whether that's happiness or whatever your goals are. You know, I was using engineering to help me, but not only that, it took me up to a new level, opened a new era for me, and it helped me smile again for the first time. Really nice excerpt, I love that. and something that I use a lot and talk about. And obviously that's where the message comes of don't lean on your excuses and turn them into challenges. So that was an excerpt from my book. Now, like I said, if you click on the link, that will take you through to the Amazon website where you can pre-order yourself a copy. Now, if you take a screenshot of that, because this is for the free tickets, the prize, take a screenshot of you pre-ordering, and post that out on social media with the hashtag don't lean on your excuses, as it says here on the video. Now, I will pick that up and we will pick 5 lucky winners and you'll get a free ticket to the book launch party. That's in October. It's going to be 100 people, friends, family, people that have helped me on my journey. There's going to be some memorabilia there, a bit of food, a bit of drink, and I'm really looking forward to meeting everybody there, and hopefully that includes you. Otherwise, I'm going to carry on reading my book for a little bit longer. Oh, that's not good. I think you're ready to try something. I'll do that again. No, that doesn't work because there's no rhythm. 3, 2. So my book is available to order. You're giggling. I can't do it.
I'm still giggling.
That will come later on in the book.